Hey, what's up you guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made these cute Easter themed treats. I'm going to be using some white chocolate, some yellow, some orange. You're going to be needing a bunch of Easter sprinkles. I got all of mine at Walmart. That Wilton one came with the ones that I'm going to show you right now, but I switched them out because I wanted them in my big container. But yeah, those came in the Wilton one. And you're also going to be needing caramel if you want to try out doing like a caramel swirl pretzel. But if you're not, then you don't need the caramel. Okay, so first I'm going to be like dipping them all, and then I'm going to show you how to decorate them. So we're going to start out with the Rice Krispies. For these, I just dipped them halfway, but if you want to dip them like all the way, then you can go ahead and do that. But I'm just gonna dip them halfway, and then I'm gonna be getting my big sprinkles and lining them up like on the top. Now for the Oreos, all you do is fill up the mold and then put the Oreos in and push them down just to make sure to get all the air bubbles out. But for the mold, I got this one on Amazon, and I honestly don't really recommend it. It's a little bit too small for it, so sometimes it will like mess up if you don't like make them the right. And then the other mold that I use later on, that one I got from Shein, and that one works better, but it's a little bit taller, so it has like a lot of chocolate. So I don't know, I don't really recommend these. I recommend getting like the plastic molds, not the silicone molds. But yeah, then you just tap it away, so make sure you get all the air bubbles out. And when you push them out, they come out really easy. Make sure whenever you're pushing them in, you don't push them too far, because if you see one of them, it's like really like you can see the cookie. I pushed it in too far. Now for the pretzels, I like to use this really big container that I got at Dollar Tree for $1. I think it came in two for $1. And you just dip them, and then you like shake them off. And for the caramel one, I used these little soft caramels. So you have to make sure they're soft, because they're like buildable. So yeah, you just like roll them out, and then you can make like a really long string. With one of those, I was able to make two swirls for 2 pretzels, but I made one with this one. I don't know why. But yeah, you just like get it, and then you put it on the stick, and you start twisting it, and you make your swirl. And for the last pretzel, I'm gonna be making like a carrot themed one. So you just take your pretzel, and then if you don't have like a big container, then like the white one that I have, then you just do this. You just basically take your spoon and then push it like all over to the top, but not too high up, and then just shake it off so it can smooth out and then be a little bit thinner, not too thick. Okay, now for the actual like decorating part. For the pretzels, I just added some stripes, like color coordinating the sprinkles. Now to decorate the pretzel carriage, all I did was add like little leaves at the top of the carriage, and then I took some orange and made like carrot stripes. For the next one, it was really simple. I just drizzled on some pink, and then took my little mix of Easter sprinkles and put them all over the top. For the third one, I did like green stripes to kind of represent like a grass, and then I added on the little Easter eggs. These kind of like started slipping onto the side, so try to make them like in the middle so they won't move to the sides. For the fourth one, this was also another like simple one, but this one was actually one of the cutest ones, to be honest, like in my opinion. So I just made like a blue drizzle, and then I did that little sprinkles and then put them all over the top. I don't know why that was so cute to me, but that is okay to me. Then lastly, I just did a yellow drizzle, and then I added these flower sprinkles on top. For the caramel one, I just did an orange drizzle, and then I kind of made it like another carrot. So using the little flower mold, I put that to make it look like the little leaves on top, just because I thought that would be a little cute idea. and it ended up looking really cute. So yeah. Now for the Oreos, I'm going to be first doing a little carrot. So with the green, I draw on the leaves, and then with the orange, I drew a little like upside down triangle to represent the body of the carrot. And then the next one, I drizzled on some yellow, and then I added a little eggshell sprinkle and then a little chicken sprinkle on top. For the next one, I did some swirls in chocolate and then added 3 little jelly beans on top to make it look like a nest. And then another simple one, another pink drizzle with some sprinkles, but only to the side of the Oreo. Now, I'm so sorry for this part, but I don't know why, or I don't even know how this happened, but I was decorating the chicken Oreo off camera. But honestly, it was really easy. First, I started off with the white part, and then I moved on to the eyes and then the little beak. If you guys want something to kind of represent that, you can look at my strawberry from my Easter egg one, and it's basically the same thing. But yeah, and then the last Oreo is just a little chicken butt that I used a little rose, and then I did little feet with the mold I had, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope this helped. If you guys are watching still, please subscribe and like the video, and comment on some future YouTube ideas. And if you would like a chance to win $20, make sure you enter the giveaway I'm hosting right now in my last video.